In this video, we are going to discuss how to round numbers. So first of all, decimal notation. Do you see a number right there? Can you read this number to yourself? How do you read this? The correct way to read this is 61.88. So 61.88, this point right there is called a decimal point, and this number is called decimal notation. Let's take a look at the place value. So we have a picture right there. The correct way to read this number is 458.302719. So this is a decimal notation. This decimal has six decimal places. Okay, so 6 decimal places, because there are 6 digits on the right hand side of the decimal. There are 6 digits on the right hand side of the decimal. So let me give you a number. So how about this? I am going to give you a number 109.234002. Okay, what I am asking you to do is I am asking you to do the following. So one, I am asking you to write this number in whole number. So whole number, what is whole number? So whole number means like 109, 6, 2, these are whole numbers. 26, 190, 200, they are all whole numbers. So whole number, how do you write this in a whole number? So whole number, we have 109. So this is a whole number. We don't need any decimal. And then how about one decimal place? One decimal place means you keep one digit on the right hand side of the decimal point. 109.2. This is one decimal place. And then how about 2 decimal places? So that will be keeping 2 digits on the right hand side of the decimal point. So we have 109.23. So this is 2 decimal places. How about 3 decimal places? So 3 decimal places will be keeping 3 digits on the right hand side of the decimal point. 109.234. This is 3 decimal places. How about 4 decimal places? 4 decimal places means you keep 4 numbers on the right hand side of the decimal. 109.2340. Do we have to keep the 0? The answer is, if I ask you to give me 4 decimal places, then you have to keep the decimal. If I drop the 0, then you have to keep the 0. If I drop that 0, the one on the right hand side of 4, does that change the value? The answer is no. So even though you drop this 0, that doesn't change the value. But if I force you to keep 4 decimal places, then you have to add a 0. So this is 4 decimal places. How about 5? 5, then you keep one more 0, right? So 109.23400. So this is 5 decimal places. How about 6 decimal places? Then you keep the 2 as well. So 109.234002. So this one is 6 decimal places, because I keep 6 numbers or 6 digits on the right hand side of the decimal point. Right hand side, right? I don't count the left hand side. 6 decimal places means I keep 6 digits on the right hand side of the decimal point. Always right side of the decimal point. I don't care about the left. All right, so that will be all for the first part. I see you in the next video.